Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back. Last time we fed a family of 4 with $10, so this time we set the challenge, see if we can feed them with 5. I've managed to do it. What I'm going to make today is I am going to make a chicken noodle soup, and I've managed to get this to come in at $4.94. Alright, so the ingredients we have 2 packs of Mi Goreng noodles, 1 onion, a small clove of garlic, a carrot, 1 red chili, some green beans, and some chicken legs. All this stuff I've managed to get from my local Woolworths, find around, find what veggies are on sale, and yeah, just go from there. I chose Mi Goreng noodles because with the challenge it was really tough. I wanted to make like a spicy sort of Asian infused broth. And I decided to go with these because they've already got the sauces in them, and that saved me some money. So they've got the ketchup menace, they've got the sambal in them, and they've got a little bit of seasoning, which I'm going to use the seasoning to marinate my chicken before I fry it. And then we're going to go from there, and I'm just going to show you how to make a cool chicken noodle broth for $5 to feed 4. Yeah, so we're just going to cut all our vegetables, top and tail the beans, dice the onion and dice the carrot, and put them aside. Alright, so our onion, garlic, and chili is going to go in a different bowl because that's going to be fried off, whereas the vegetables are just going to be thrown in at the end just before we're ready to serve, so they're nice and crispy. Chicken legs are on sale for $2 a kilo today, so that's why I've chose these and picked up a few of them. Yeah, and all we're going to do is we're going to pull the meat off the bone and dice that up and use that. I am going to keep the legs because we're just using a cheap stock. What I'll do is I'll put the bones in with that so that just adds a bit more flavour to it while we're cooking it. Alright, so we've got our Mi Goreng. I've opened it up. We've got our onion, garlic, chili and chicken in a bowl. As I said before, I'm just going to add the seasoning to this and just give it a good coat with both packets. A big focus for me with this was being able to make nutritious and healthy meals for $5 and $10 so that people aren't eating junk food. We always hear the lines that it's too hard and too expensive to eat healthy. I'd like to prove that wrong. Going to use our oil because we need to save money. Going to throw the oil in with that too. Just going to mix this, keep the fried onions to the side, mix this in a bowl here, and then we're going to start cooking it. Alright, you can hear that pot starting to sizzle now. We're just going to throw ingredients in. So that's our onion, garlic, chili, and chicken seasoned. Mix it around. Get some sizzle on that. Turn it down. I'm just going to throw our legs in there as well because that's flavour. We don't want to lose any flavour. We are on a budget. Next step, add in our chicken stock. There's like a little seal in there. Next step is to add the chicken stock, and we're just going to add a litre of chicken stock here. If you use powdered stock, you can bring this budget down even further. Going to add the sambal and the sweet soy, ketchup menace. Going to bring this to the boil, leave it simmer for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to add our vegetables and our noodles and finish it off. Alright guys, so we've had this simmering now. Just going to pull these chicken bones out. Don't need them anymore. I've got as much flavour out of that as possible. Next step, noodles going in. And obviously, I'm I'm pretty sure everyone knows they take 2 minutes to cook. We're just about ready to serve now. So once these noodles are cooked, we're going to throw the veggies in, serve it, and be done. All right, guys, 2 minutes is up now, so take that off the heat. We're going to add our veggies in, and the reason we're not cooking them is because we want them nice, crunchy, crispy, as fresh vegetables should be. Just going to throw some noodles in the bottom of this. Off with our ladle. Last but not least, we're just going to garnish this with our fried onions that come with our Mi Gorengs. And there we have it. $5 meals. As you can see, still enough in the pot to feed plenty more people. Don't let anyone ever tell you that eating healthy can't be cheap. All right, guys, as you see, $5. We've got enough here. We can feed 4 people. We've got a nice, beautiful meal, nice and fresh, nice and healthy. Plenty of veggies in there. This one's for the uni students out there. I look stupid eating noodles. All right, guys, as always, if you like this video, please like it, share, and subscribe, and we'll be making new videos every week. Check out everything else you can see here that we've made in the past.